Hello friends, welcome back to Worldwide Vehicles. Today we are going to discuss about Dassault Mirage 2000. Mirage 2000 is a multi-role combat fighter from French aircraft manufacturer Dassault Aviation. It has been operational with the French Air Force since 1984 and has been selected by Abu Dhabi, Egypt, India, Qatar, Taiwan, and the United Arab Emirates. Its price is $23 million only. It can run with the maximum speed of 2691 km per hour. Mirage 2000 has 9 hard points for carrying payloads. The single-seat version is armed with two internally mounted high-firing rate 30 guns. Air-to-air weapons include the MICA multi-target air-to-air intercept and combat missiles. The aircraft can carry 4 MICA missiles, 2 Magic missiles and 3 drop tanks simultaneously. The Mirage 2000 can fire the MBDA Super 530D missiles or the MBDA Sky Flash air-to-air missiles as an alternative to the MICA missiles.